Hello guys. Mm, Today I will explain how to create a creative menu by using CSS without any library or JavaScript or jQuery, etc. First thing, my English is so weak, but I will try to speak it because I want to learn how to speak English. Uh, uh, First, my first time I will talk voice in my video with English. So sorry so much, guys. Okay, let's go. This is the result. Our result. Let's start. I will remove all the thing. Air file HTML CSS, sorry, and save it and refresh it again. Let's start with my HTML. Here I called my file CSS. Now I will write my HTML code. First time I will create UL tag and give it a class menu. Inside UL I will create list style item, 6 item. Inside it href tag and control D. I select all href and with arrow I move it inside double quote and I write $sign and save and write every href tag. I will create name like home, product, about, or portfolio, random name, portfolio, services, about us, contact us. Yes, let's save and refresh our page. Here we go. Yes, let's switch to our CSS. First thing I will call body and I give width 100 full width and height 100 full height. This make body check all size of our page, and margin 0 and padding 0 and box sizing border box. If you not understand any property of this, I advise you to search in Mozilla Developer Network or W3 School if you want more about these properties. Okay, I will give here background, sorry, uppercase, background 0h 04 1d and refresh page. Good. I will display flex. Here we will make our menu in center of our page, justify content center, and align items. I will give it align items center. Okay, yes, good. I will make UL and give it margin 0, padding 0. Yes. Body array, it means any tag inside body. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. After that, ul have class menu, la list style type, list style type, if I remove background, okay, I will give comment this point here, none will display this point, I will display here like that. Yeah, I will show background now, and I will make this list vertically, like I give it display inline block, refresh it, yes, here height view height, here I make mistake, height, yeah, and sound. A mix space between and I list, I will give it margin 0.25 pixel. Yeah, good. Now again ul I have class menu, and la color if white, display inline block, and the padding from top and bottom 10 pixel, from left and right 40 pixel, and remove this line under links, text decoration none, refresh, yeah, good. Font family, Open Sans, my best font, web, yeah. I will convert this letters into capital letters by using this property, text transform uppercase, good. Here I will give each position relative, because I want to make pseudo classes before and after in a class, a tag, sorry. Now I will go to a tag, pseudo classes before, ul menu la a before, first thing content empty, display block, here I will make with 1%, 100% height, 100%, background example read, doesn't work or what? Sorry, I will give position absolute, because I give in a tag here I give each position a relative, okay, yes, but link doesn't disappear here. I will give it the index minus 99. Yep, good. Here, good. I will give top 0. Yep, on the left or right, I will right 0. Yep, good. I will here I want to create some animation here 0, but when user click hover in A, I want the color red here, show effects here. Let's do it. Copy this line and paste it here and hover. I want before pseudo classes make width 100%, like that, but animation not softly. We'll add transition, all property 300 millisecond. Yup. Good. I will change this color and I don't like it. RGB 243. Oh, 42. 72 and 59. Yep. Good. But I will here use gradient. Best thing. Here I will use this gradient. Yep. Good. But I want to do something crazy here. Yes, let's do it here. I want to create UL menu, but when mouse hover, I want what I want to do edit. Let's do it. LA, let's item A. I want transform to make scale 2 times. It's 2. What's this? Yes, good, but not smooth. Here I will make here transition all 300 millisecond, but still not smooth. I will here put filter blur blur 4 pixel. Yep, but I want a not blur. I will push a menu in a hover filter and move it, change it to 0 and transform scale 1.8. refresh. But animation not smooth here. Menu. Still doesn't smooth. Class menu UL transition also transition on 300 millisecond. Yeah, now it's smooth. Yep. We can change the color picker in Google it. And here we can change color, maybe this one. Make in comments these lines, and here hex code for color, or use RGB. Yes, refresh. Yes. Good guys, see you later. Goodbye. I'm sorry about my English.